Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the phone is charged and you have your contacts available. This avoids interruptions when changing the call screen. Now open Settings and go straight to Display and Brightness or Home Screen and Lock Screen depending on your firmware. Once there, find the Incoming Call or Call Display option. That's the control panel for the call screen. Tap it to reveal available templates and layout modes so you can choose how incoming calls appear and behave. Once you see the templates, pick Full Screen for immersive visuals or Banner for minimal interruption. Floating Window keeps the calls small while you use apps. You can tap Customize to set a contact photo, live wallpaper, or system theme so calls match your style. Also, make sure to change the answer method. Some layouts use swipe while others show buttons, because this affects how you interact during calls. Apply the change to preview it immediately and confirm that touch areas are comfortable. You're almost done. Save the new call screen settings and immediately place a test incoming call to verify appearance and touch response. If the preview looks good, you're finished. If not, return to the same settings to tweak background, gesture sensitivity, or layout. Make sure to test with different contacts so thumbnails and permissions display properly. If something goes wrong, like unresponsive buttons, clear the phone app cache, check permissions, or restart the phone. That fixes most glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.